You.
Hello, my name is Johan van Zanten, and I'm trying to sell this Triag triGEL ijsvijs. In German they call it a gefrierspannen, and it is used to clamp things on with ice instead of magnetic or vacuum. The overall shape is very good. I will show to you. I will turn it around first. This looks all in very good condition, this hose or tube or whatever. There are no dents or whatever on the casing. The refrigerant has been renewed by a refrigeration professional, and he also checked the system for any leakage. So he has pressurized the system, and everything was fine. This is the ijsvijs, and it is 300 millimeters by 200 millimeters, and this whole section gets frozen. There are 9 holes, M6 holes in it to make some extra mountings, and all the threads are okay. There's one little problem. Here's a very small dent. I think you can surface grind it out. I will try to measure the depth. I hope you can see it on camera. I will try to use my calipers. But it is somewhere around 2/10 of a millimeter. So I think it's possible to surface grind it out, because the thickness here is a lot more. I will turn it on, and you have two. You can choose freeze or defreeze. It's in France. I'll turn it on now. So I have to choose Freud, and then it starts freezing cycle. So it's at -1 right now, and here I have a piece of rubber which I can clamp on this thing with water. You have just to spray it on. Can you get a little closer? What's the temperature right now? Can you make a look? So it's -10. So have a look. Right now it's secured, and you can mill or do whatever you want to it.
Nice.
And then when you have finished milling or whatever you wanted to do, you can declamp it by reversing this, and then it starts to heat up. It's still -2 right now. -1. And now you can throw the ice away or whatever.